This video explains you how to source the data from National Stock Exchange of India, that is NSE India. So the official website of National Stock Exchange of India is www.nse, that is National Stock Exchange India, INDIA, nseindia.com. This is the official website of National Stock Exchange of India. So once it takes you to the National Stock Exchange official website. So here you can see various options. The option to source the data, we use products. In products you have capital market, derivatives, debt, equity trackers. So in products, and first we see how to source data of equity shares listed in National Stock Exchange. So click on equities. This gives you information about equities, and click on historical data. Next is in historical data section, go to security wise price volume archives and click on a search here. So this takes you to a new window where you can download the equity prices. So get historical data for, so here select security wise price volume data and enter the symbol of the stock for which you want the data. If you are not aware of the stock, not an issue, simply type, say for example I want State Bank of India's data, so I write State Bank, and in the select series there are different series, but what we need is equity, so we click on EQ for equities. Then data you may for one time period or for select time period. I go for select time period, so I want data from 2013 Jan 1st till 2013 December 31st. I'm taking a full year data, so click data. As you are not aware of the symbol, the NSE server provides you option for various State Bank of Mysore, State Bank of Hyderabad, State Bank of Bikaner. I want State Bank of India, so SBIN is the symbol for State Bank of India. Simply click here and automatically data is retrieved for you. But here if you observe, you have a data only till 24th of May, but you ask you for one full year. So the server provides you the data here, download file in CSV format, that is comma separated value format of Excel sheet. So click on this and it will give you in Excel format, and save as and give the destination where you want to save your data. So click. Once data is downloaded, it prompts you to open it. Now here one full year data is available to you, and any analysis that you want to perform on this you can. So it reads like a previous price, open price, high, low price, close price, average price, total traded quantity, turnover in lakhs. So this is how we source stock prices from National Stock Exchange of India.